Here is a problem that most motorhome manufacturers have never been willing to solve. A buyer walks into a dealership. He has a specific budget, a specific size in mind, a specific chassis preference. Maybe he wants a van. Maybe he wants a cab over Class C. Maybe he wants diesel. Maybe he wants gas. And almost every time, the manufacturer hands him a brochure with one chassis, one engine, one platform, and says take it or leave it. Freedom Motorhomes looked at that problem differently. The 2026 Freedom Elite lineup gives you the same coach, the same name, the same philosophy, the same value proposition on 4 completely different platforms. A Ford E450 cab over Class C, a Ford Transit Class B+, a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Class B, and a Ram ProMaster Class B. You pick your platform, you pick your footprint, you pick your budget, and then you get a Freedom Elite built around that decision instead of the other way around. That is an unusual approach in this industry, and it is the reason the Freedom Elite is worth understanding in detail. Today on NextGen Motorhome, we break down every platform and every floor plan, starting at $119,980. Let's go. The Ford E450 Class C platform. This is the traditional backbone of the Freedom Elite lineup. The cab over Class C with the Ford 7.3-liter Godzilla V8, 325 horsepower, 468 pound-feet of torque. Torque shift 6-speed automatic with tow/haul mode. GVWR of 14,500 pounds. 55-gallon fuel tank. 5 floor plans on the E450. The 19He, 22He, 24He, 24FL, and 28He. Lengths ranging from approximately 21 feet to 30 feet. The 19He is the entry-level compact, the one that fits everywhere a van cannot, because it is not a van. It is a real Class C coach with a cab-over bunk, a full bathroom, a kitchen, and a sleeping configuration that handles 4 people in 19 feet of coach. MSRP on the 19He starts at $119,980. That is the most affordable Class C motorhome in the Freedom Motorhomes lineup. At dealer pricing, units are moving from approximately $88,000 to $102,000. Under $100,000 for a new Class C on the Ford 7.3-liter V8. That number gets attention. The 22He is the sweet spot floor plan that most buyers end up choosing when they look at the E450 lineup. 23 feet and 3 inches long. Cab over bunk. Queen bed in the rear. Single slide out. Sleeping for 6 people. At dealer pricing currently running from approximately $93,000 to $108,000. This is one of the most competitively priced new Class C motorhomes available in America right now with the 7.3-liter V8 under the hood. The 28He is the largest E450 floor plan, approximately 30 feet, 2 slide-outs, king bed, overhead bunk, sleeping for 8. The step-up in living space over the 22He is substantial. The step-up in price at dealer is approximately $15,000 to $20,000. For a buyer who travels with family or with another couple, the 28He provides the living room and sleeping space that makes extended travel comfortable rather than just possible. Fuel economy on the E450 with the 7.3-liter at the Freedom Elite weight class is 10 to 12 miles per gallon highway. At 55 gallons, that gives you a range of 550 to 660 miles between fill-ups. Regular 87-octane gasoline. The Ford 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty covers the 7.3-liter engine. Towing on the E450 Freedom Elite is 5,000 pounds on the standard hitch receiver. That handles a motorcycle trailer, a small boat, a compact car dolly, a lightweight utility trailer, the real-world towing needs of most Class C buyers. The Ford Transit Class B+ platform. This is where the Freedom Elite lineup gets interesting for buyers who want something between a Class B van and a full Class C. The Freedom Elite Transit floor plans, the 22FE and the 24KE, are built on the Ford Transit E450 HD chassis. Longer than a standard Class B van, shorter than a cab-over Class C. The result is a coach that drives with van-like agility but delivers more living and sleeping space than any standard Class B can provide. The Ford Transit brings the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 into the equation. 300 horsepower, 400 pound-feet of torque, 10-speed select shift automatic. Real-world fuel economy of 15 to 17 miles per gallon highway. Significantly better than the cab-over E450 Class C at this weight class. The Transit platform's best-in-class turning radius means the Freedom Elite Transit maneuvers in campgrounds, parking lots, and city environments that the cab-over E450 cannot match for agility. The Freedom Elite Transit is a genuine Class B+, not a van with a cot, not a full Class C cab-over. It occupies the middle ground with a real bathroom, a real kitchen, a real bed, and real highway maneuverability on one of the most service-accessible commercial platforms in America, the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Class B platform. The Freedom Elite is also available on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 500 chassis as a Class B van conversion. The Sprinter Freedom Elite brings the Mercedes 2.0-liter four-cylinder diesel, 211 horsepower, 332 pound-feet of torque, 9-speed Mercedes automatic, into the Freedom brand at a price point that undercuts dedicated luxury Sprinter Class B manufacturers by a meaningful margin. Real-world fuel economy on the Sprinter diesel at this weight class is 17 to 22 miles per gallon highway. That is the diesel advantage. If you are running 15,000 miles a year, the fuel cost savings of 17 to 22 miles per gallon on diesel versus 10 to 12 miles per gallon on regular gasoline, calculated over 5 years of ownership, represents a meaningful offset against the Sprinter platform's higher purchase price versus the E450 mode. The Freedom Elite Sprinter is the entry point for buyers who want the Mercedes diesel platform, the Mercedes commercial service network, and the Mercedes driving character, without paying the full premium of a dedicated Gretsch, Pleasureway, or Airstream Sprinter-based Class B. It is a different specification level than those coaches. The construction and finish level is positioned as a value entry into the Sprinter segment. But the chassis, the engine, the transmission, and the fuel economy advantage are exactly the same. The Ram ProMaster Class B platform. The Freedom Elite van on the Ram ProMaster 3500 is the most affordable entry into the Freedom Elite lineup. The 3.6-liter Pentastar V6, 276 horsepower, 250 pound-feet of torque, 9-speed torque flight automatic, front-wheel drive, best-in-class 36-foot turning radius on the ProMaster platform. The Freedom Elite van is the coach for the buyer who wants a real Class B van, not a Transit, not a Sprinter, not a cab-over, at the lowest possible entry price in the Freedom Elite family. Starting prices on the Freedom Elite van are among the most competitive Class B entry prices in the entire American motorhome market right now. The features that run across all Freedom Elite platforms. The 10-inch adjustable dash radio with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is new standard for 2026 across all Class C models. Alexa voice commands integrated into the entertainment system. Dual camera backup system. Not just a single rear camera, but a dual camera setup that gives the driver a wider visibility envelope when reversing. Power patio awning standard across the lineup. Exterior LED lighting. Blackout bedroom shade system. The Furrion Vision S wireless monitoring system available as an option on all models. The Thor Coach Connect app is standard on all 2026 Freedom Elite models. Real-time tank level monitoring, battery status, and coach system visibility from your smartphone. Remote monitoring means you do not have to walk back to the coach every time you want to check whether the freshwater tank is getting low or whether the house battery is charging. The Azdel composite substrate is used in the Freedom Elite sidewall panels. No wood. The same moisture-resistant, rot-proof composite construction we discussed on the Freedom Traveler. On a coach that will see rain, humidity, coastal air, and temperature cycling over years of use. The elimination of wood substrate from the sidewall panels is a long-term ownership advantage that is difficult to quantify until you are 10 years into ownership and your neighbor's wood-framed coach is showing delamination. Price and dealer comparison. Across the complete Freedom Elite lineup, from the ProMaster van to the 28He cabover, dealer pricing is currently running from approximately $75,000 to $135,000 depending on the platform, floor plan, and dealer. The E450 19He at $88,000. The 22He at $93,000 to $108,000. The Transit Class B Plus in the $110,000 to $125,000 range. The Sprinter Class B in the $115,000 to $145,000 range. That is a wide price range. And the reason it matters is this. The Freedom Elite is designed to be the coach that a buyer can actually afford to buy without stretching his budget to a point where the financial stress follows him down the road. The buyer who buys within his means, drives within his means, and maintains within his means is a buyer who actually enjoys his coach for the full life of the vehicle. The Freedom Elite lineup is built around that philosophy. Who is the Freedom Elite for? The 19He is for the first-time Class C buyer who wants the cab-over experience at the lowest possible entry price on the Ford 7.3-liter platform. The 22He is for the couple who wants a proven, practical, full-featured Class C at a dealer price that leaves money in their pocket for the actual travel. The 28He is for the family buyer who needs sleeping for 8 and 2 slide-outs without paying Class A prices. The Transit is for the buyer who wants van-like agility with more space than a Class B provides. The Sprinter is for the buyer who wants diesel economy in the Freedom brand at a price that undercuts the premium Sprinter competition. And the ProMaster van is for the buyer who wants the most affordable full-featured Class B van that Freedom Motorhomes produces. 6 different paths to the same destination, enjoying the American road without financial compromise. That is the 2026 Freedom Motorhomes Freedom Elite. Verified specs, straight talk, no filler. Hit the like button now if this broke down a lineup that was worth understanding. Subscribe to NextGen Motorhome for a new American motorhome breakdown every single week. Drop a comment below. Which Freedom Elite platform speaks to you? The E450 cabover, the Transit B Plus, the Sprinter diesel, or the ProMaster van? And what is your budget? I want to know what this channel's audience is actually looking at. I read every comment. Safe travels, gentlemen. See you in the next one.